Welcome to Sketch Lab for Kids. In this cozy, fall-inspired tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a pumpkin spice latte with whip in the adorable kawaii style. We're going to be combining two forms today, a cylinder and a sphere. All right, let's get started. We're going to be drawing the cylinder first. So I'm going to draw two dots. That determines the width of my cup. We're going to go ahead and draw a foreshortened circle. And oftentimes I like to move my hand in that same motion before I place my pencil onto the paper. When we draw the side of the cup here, we're going to make sure these lines are tapered. So you can see it's getting a little bit more narrow at the bottom of the cup. And this is a key detail here. Do you see this curve here at the top of the cup? We want to match that when we draw the bottom of the cup. So once again, we're matching that curve at the top. All right, we're going to go ahead and draw the lip of the cup. The lip of the cup is the top of it. And so you can see we're going to curve a line to the left. And then on the other side, we're going to curve a line to the right. And now we want to match that same curve for the lip of the cup. And this is probably a good time to stand back from your work and make adjustments as needed. All right, we're going to go ahead now and draw the dome lid. And so we're going to start curving a line up and over to the right-hand side. Now we're going to draw the opening at the top of the dome lid. And so once again, we're going to start off with those two dots and a foreshortened circle. Okay, so next up, we're going to go ahead and start drawing the straw. So we're going to be using diagonal lines here. And at the top of that straw, we are going to do the same thing again. Two dots and a foreshortened circle. So we use this technique when drawing cylinders. And inside that straw, I am going to add a little bit of a shadow in there. It's going to add a little bit more depth and dimension to your artwork. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start drawing that kawaii-style pumpkin. I'm going to start off with an oval shape. So this is going to be the center section of the pumpkin. When we draw the section on the left and the right, you're going to notice that I'm going to draw an oval a little bit smaller. So I'm overlapping, and I'm going to lift my pencil up. So that's a little trick. If I don't want to erase these construction lines, I can just kind of lift my pencil up. So I am drawing an oval, but I'm lifting my pencil up. I don't want to draw over that center section. This is a great method to draw pumpkins because we have these cross contour lines that curve around the form. And also you can see that the bottom and the top of this pumpkin is also curved. So it's definitely looking 3D. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to draw an organic looking stem. So as you know, kawaii style eyes are very simple. It's basically a circle, and we will also have one white dot inside of those eyes. So we're going to go ahead and draw a smaller circle inside, and then we can fill in the area around it with our pencil. All right, we're going to go ahead and draw the mouth, and we will draw inside that mouth a line that curves up. And this is going to be the tongue. And then we're going to fill in that area above it. Here's a fun fact. So Starbucks sells over 20 million pumpkin spice lattes a year. All right, so we're going to add a little bit of detail to the cup. So once again, I'm matching this line that curves down. You can see that's a theme here when drawing cylinders. We're always matching these lines that curve across the form, whether it's at the lip, whether that's the foot, or whether it's that line just underneath the pumpkin there. And as you can see, we're going in now and adding that whipped cream. These lines are curving to the right. And now I'm going to draw a line that curves down, a little bit wavy. And you can see we have quite a few construction lines we're going to be cleaning up now. These construction lines can be sometimes confusing for younger artists. So as you can see here, I'm erasing out the line for the whipped cream, the top of that foreshortened circle, and you'll also notice that line that curves up is also going to be erased. Remember, these were just construction lines, so oftentimes we will establish a form and then we will change the outline. At this time, as an artist, it's always a good idea to stand back from your artwork and evaluate your artwork. So you're going to take a look at it and see, are there any adjustments that you need to make? Now, this detail for outlining, I'm using a thick marker to do the outlines. And then I'm going to use a thinner marker to do the inlines. So we're going to get a really nice bold outline on the outside. And then we're going to be able to go in with smaller markers to get all the details on the inside. All right, we're going to go in and begin coloring. So I'm once again limiting my color palette to just a few colors today. And there's kind of some beauty in simplicity. And when you look at oftentimes these drinks, they're pretty simplistic, white cups. Obviously, I'm going in with some fall colors here like brown, red, orange, and green. Okay, I'm going to go back now and just freshen up my outlining, kind of crisp that up a little bit. And, aww, look at that cute kawaii-style pumpkin spice latte. If you enjoyed working with me, please share my channel and subscribe. Thank you so much.